Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a QR code in Canva. So to create a QR code in Canva, the first step is obviously to go into Canva, guys. Click on the plus button on the create button. Click on presentations 16 and 9. Wait for it to load, guys. You don't need this template right here. And now, guys, the next step is to click on apps right here. Type in QR code. Click on enter, guys. And now just go ahead and click on the first one, QR code right here. And now, guys, we can actually add a URL and it's going to create a QR code for us. So I'm just going to show you guys with google.com. You can type in your own URL for your websites or Instagram or whatever you want. Click on generate code, guys. And boom, as you guys can see, we just got our own QR code. We can change the margin. We can change the background color, the foreground color, as you guys can see right here. Boom. And now, guys, to actually download it, click on the share button. Click on download right here. You guys can select your file type. We can do PDF, we can do PNG, we can do JPG. I'm gonna click on PNG, then I'm gonna click on download, and it's currently downloading. Boom, we just downloaded it, guys. And now this is fully scannable. Once you guys scan this, it's gonna take us to google.com. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and peace.